What's up, yo guys? It's me, Carmel Lisa D. Fernandez. So for today's vlog, we're gonna do lasagna. So I'll show you the ingredients. Tomato paste, parmesan, semolina, all-purpose flour, fresh milk, butter, bay leaves, iodized salt, cayenne pepper, oregano, red wine, eggs, and onions. And that's all the ingredients we need. So today we're gonna make pasta. There's two main ingredients in making pasta. First is eggs. Next is semolina flour and all-purpose flour. So after I put the all-purpose flour on the strainer, I measure it for 200 grams. Then I mixed it with 100 grams of semolina flour. Now I'm making a space in the middle so I can put the egg there. Now we're going to mix the egg. And we're going to put it in the middle of the flour. And we are going to mix this using fork. And then we can also use our hand like that. And after that, I put it in a baking paper so it will not stick on the table. Then I continuously pressing the dough until it totally mixed together. Then just put extra all-purpose flour at the bottom part so it will not stick on the baking paper. Now I'm trying to circle the dough and put it in a cling wrap. Then after that, I'm gonna put olive oil in the outer part of the dough so it's gonna moisture a little bit. And then cover it with a cling wrap. Then chop the carrots into small pieces. Next is celery. And then next, we're going to fry our ground beef in a hot oil. We don't want to put this all together in a small pan. So, I divide this into two. So, it's easier for me to mix it. So, as you can see, some of it is still red. So, it means it is not yet cooked. We need to mix this continuously or else it's gonna be burned on the bottom part. Now it's all brown, it means it's already cooked. Then we're gonna transfer this into a stainless container. So this is the matignon. First we're gonna put carrots. Then onions, and the next is celery. So I'm gonna mix this until the vegetable is cooked. Next is I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, and then mix it again. And then mix it again. Now I'm gonna put some tomato paste to put color. And then mix it again. Next is red wine. And then we're gonna put our ground beef and the sauce. And then after that, we're going to mix it again. Then add some flour. And of course, seasoning, iodized salt. Next is pepper. And bay leaves. After that, we're going to put oregano, dried oregano. And then we're going to add our chicken stock. $50 of butter and 50 grams of all-purpose flour. Then 1 liter of milk. And we're gonna be using half of onion and bay leaves. And we're gonna stick it together using toothpick. And we're gonna put the butter in a pan with a medium fire, and then we're gonna stir it until the butter is melted. When the butter is already melted, we're gonna put the all-purpose flour. And now I'm going to add 100 ml of fresh milk. Konti muna daw. Next is I'm going to add 400 ml of fresh milk. Now, put the onion and bay leaves. Then mix it again so the taste of onion and bay leaves will mix with the milk, butter, and all-purpose flour. Next is seasoning, iodized salt. The next is cayenne pepper.
When you hear that beat.
And after that, remove the onion with the bay leaves. Then I will transfer it in a bowl. Then, going back to the dough, we're going to cut this into 4 pieces. Since I don't have the machine to make that dough thin, I'm just gonna use the rolling pin. Next is, we're gonna put our dough in a boiling water with a lot of salt and a little bit of oil. And then after that, we're gonna shock this into cold water, and we need to make it straight because it's gonna be the permanent shape of our pasta. Bolognese, creamy sauce, pasta, Parmesan cheese, Parmesan black, mozzarella block, and stainless container. First one we put is the pasta on the bottom part. Next is the bolognese. We just need to spread it out. And then the creamy sauce. And the next is the Parmesan cheese. And then I will add some mozzarella cheese.